Hello, it's Dev from Tutor Teddy. So today we will discuss on system of linear equation. A system of linear equation is simply a set of two or more linear equation involving same variable. Suppose 3x plus 2y is equals to 16. 7x plus y is equals to 19. This is a system of linear equation involving same variable means these two equations involve only two variables, that is x and y. Now solve for this system of equations. First solve the second equation, that is 7x plus y equals to 19. From this we get y is equals to 19 minus 7x. If we put this value 19 minus 7x in the first equation, we will get 3x plus 2 into 2 into y means 19 minus 7x equals to 16, or minus 11x is equals to 22. Minus 11 is equals to minus 22, or x is equals to 2. Now substitute this value of x in the second equation. We get 14, 7 into 2, that is 14, plus y is equals to 19, or y is equals to 19 minus 14, that is 5. So solution for this system of linear equation is x is equals to 2 and y equals to 5, that is 2 comma 5. Similarly, a system of three linear equation like be 3x plus 2y plus z equals to 1, 2x minus 2y plus z equals to minus 2, and minus x plus 12y minus z equals to 0. If you solve this system of linear equation like the way I said earlier, you will get a solution for this equation will be x equals to 1, y is equals to minus 2, and z equals to minus 2. So this system of three linear equation is involved three same variable. All are involved same variable, that is x, y, and z, three variables here. So we can write the general form of linear equation system. So the general form will be like this. Coefficient into x plus coefficient into y plus coefficient into z dot 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 equals to coefficient. So we can write a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus like this way dot 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 plus a 1n xn is equals to b1. Similarly, a21 into x2 plus a22 into x2 plus dot 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 plus a2n to xn equals to b2, and like this way a n1 x1 plus a n2 to x2 plus a nn into xn equals to bn. This is the general form of linear equation system. This form can be written as a matrix in general, which is ax equals to b. For more upcoming videos on math preparation, please subscribe our YouTube channel or visit tutortory.com.